Hello! This video demonstrates returning borrowed items to the lending library when your patron is finished with it. After the item has been checked in on your CERC system to discharge it from the patron's library record, you want to update the status in VDX to returned. You can look up the request using the request search interface by the number, by the title, or even the patron's name. Or you can browse the received category of the work queue to find the item you wish to return. I'm going to select Receive Now. And you may find it helpful to sort the list alphabetically by requested title ascending order, and that just may facilitate your scrolling through the list to find the item or title that you're looking for. And we're going to return Mortal Prey today. The returned action defaults on anything in a received state, so we'll just use the action button. And this produces an action returned screen. There's really very little or nothing to add to this screen. You may have a public note to convey to the lending library, a private note which is a staff viewing note only. You might wish to change the return date. Some libraries do this if they only get courier 1 or 2 days a week. They will change the date to the actual date that the courier picks up, but it's fine to leave it that way and hit the return button. Your Action Successful screen will have a results link on it, which will allow you to return to the results set that you were working on. I'm going to return a few more items using the Bulk Action screen, just so you can see how that works. So we're going to select this one and this one, and how about this one? And I'll use the bulk action button to submit those requests that I checked on the screen to a bulk action screen. I select the action I want to apply to all of them, and if I type the letter R, that advanced me on the long list. I'll select returned. So I want the returned action to be applied to all 3 of these simultaneously. I simply hit return, and I have a successful screen showing that all of them have been updated to a return state. Your next step is to get printed paperwork to accompany the returned items. So when you finish all your returns, you will select the returned list in the work queue. This provides an address label. There's a line here, so you can use a ruler or the edge of your desk and detach that, and this will get taped to the parcel that's shipping the item back. The lower portion is a packing slip. It's a little thank you note packing slip. It has the lending library's request number on it, title, etc. Details that they may find useful to expedite their check-in of the returned item. In conclusion, when your patron returns ILL items to you, you will update the status to returned. You will find them in the received category. When you process them returned, they will move down and be in the returned category. You will produce the returned list to get the appropriate paperwork for packaging the item, and you will prepare it for delivery. That's it.